This is for Governor Hogan and the Maryland delegation. Stephanie Smith, Tony Bridges, Governor O'Malley. Yeah. We talking about racism in the courts. Operation Greylord, 1980s. We're going to do Operation Greylord 2022. I got access to the grand jury because I was kidnapped by the state of Maryland and Illinois because I was making a documentary about the war on drugs. I'm the lion of my village, and I'm not lying to you. That's Shorty. You go to Senator Antonio Hayes and get this book from Senator Antonio Hayes. You got to stand for something or you're going to fall for anything. All right? It's from Vibe magazine, courtesy of Cornelius Adams. All right? I turned this into a book and a movie. That's the court. Honorable Judge Bennett. All right? I'm writing you online. This is my whistleblower submission. It's a whistleblower submission against the courts. It's like the Underground Railroad, slavery, 2022. We traded the penitentiary for the plantation, cotton for cocaine, and our kids is the cash crop. I own shorties. I own all parts of shorties. The state of Maryland participated in fraud. They accepted forged checks. Yeah, income tax evasion and fraud by Jake Davis, James Hammond, Brother Insurance, Bank of America, SunTrust Bank, Duran Battle, Michael Coons, Therese Taylor, and Darlene Davis. Nobody got a right to touch my money or my bank account. That's sole proprietorship. That's Insurance Incorporated, Brother Insurance. I got sole proprietorship right there. All right? And my policy was paid in full. That's Bank of America. All right? Banking violations. Articles of criminal law. Yeah. These are the forged checks because I was locked up in another state. These are the forged checks. And that's not my signature. That's not my signature. That's James Hammond and Dwayne Davis for a lease on June of 2008. I was locked up in another state. That's Chief Justice Roberts to the Supreme Court. Because I wrote Chief Justice Roberts to the Supreme Court when I started this. I started this in 2007. It's about the war on drugs. It's about the war on drugs. That's my Storm Falls Road. Davis versus Illinois. See that? That's David Irwin. That's my Storm Falls Road. And as far as David Irwin is concerned, in the state of the courts is concerned, that conviction from 86 was overturned and remanded. I never got a new trial. You locked me up and you used that trial against me. Well, I never got a trial in Illinois in 2008. I'm going to get a trial and we're going to the grand jury about 2011. That's me. I mailed it to myself. Media, Rob Fix Entertainment. That's Mayor Pugh. That's the Department of Justice, Robert Harding. Robert Harding, Robert Hur, Eric Barron, Sarah Marquette, Rod Rosenstein, Adam Lippy. Yeah, I was making a movie about the war on drugs, and you received it. You got that. That's Governor O'Malley. Governor O'Malley, Tony Bridges, Stephanie Smith, the Maryland Black Caucus. Y'all been making a lot of money off of black bodies. Zero tolerance, stop and frisk. The war on drugs. I was making a movie. Head States Attorney Mosby, you done had it since 2016. Grand jury, Supreme Court, Judge Cox got this. Judge Bennett got this. Chief Judge Turnbull had this. See that? Judge Turnbull. Greg Bernstein got that. Ain't no statute of limitations when the court commits the fraud. State Attorney Michael Nearham. That's Lake County, Illinois. Mayor Stephanie Rawlins Blake. Scott Shellenberger. It's all about Scott Shellenberger. I put them toilets in front of the Towson courthouse because it's about Scott Shellenberger and the corruption in his courts. Scott Shellenberger knowingly presented false evidence to the grand jury. Scott Shellenberger permitted perjury. Scott Shellenberger needs to be disbarred the same way that y'all did Naphon. Scott Shellenberger is the weakest link in Governor O'Malley's crime machine. Scott Shellenberger gonna snitch when y'all take him to the grand jury. He got to produce all the evidence. Like I said, I was making a movie. He took a truck, a computer, and 13 storyboards. That's Chief Johnson. Y'all seen me chase him out of City Hall. That's Judge Cox. Judge Cox got my writ of certiorari. You see it? Judge Cox got my writ of certiorari. Governor Hogan got it too. Because Governor Hogan made $500 million off of black bodies last year. He made $500 million off of the slave industry, off the prison industry in the state of Maryland. Governor Hogan wants to reinvent the crime plan that President Ronald Reagan created, the war on drugs. Governor Hogan can go to jail if Blagojevich can go to jail. Governor Hogan been selling seats. Emails, gonna send y'all to jail. All right, County Scott Shellenberger, all right? But whistleblower, and honorably discharged veteran of the United States Navy. So is my father. All right? Charles Sitnor gave me this. All right? See that? Delegate Charles Sitnor. That's the United States. Dwayne Shorty Davis. All right? I don't want no misunderstandings about nothing I say or do. That's President Obama. All right? Department of Justice, Ashley. Dwayne Shorty Davis, the Baltimore block. We're going to play all this. You feel me? All of this. Senator Barack Obama, 238 Dearborn Street, Chicago. These are the supporters of Shorty, and they support me. This shows you the corruption in the courts, because I never got a trial for this. Y'all charged me with 5 felony counts, and I asked for a trial. I never got a trial. You dropped the charges, because if you take me to court, you know what's going to happen. You take me to court, that's the NAACP. Kobi Little, Benjamin Jealous, yeah. Tessa. Dwayne G. Davis, 1402 Lochner. I filed charges against Jake Davis. All right. January 5th, 2008. Jake Davis, January 5th. Identity theft. All right. And that's filed 2008. That's James Hammond, 2008. Paul Weinblatt, Margaret Davis, Philip Davis, Cheryl Nelson. And these is the numbers that you can call. You never called those numbers and you never gave me a trial. Davis versus Baltimore County Police Department. Baltimore County Police Department kidnapped me on February the 7th, 2011. They took my truck, 13 storyboards, a computer. Yeah, they took a lot. But I put it all together. Right here, Thursday, 29th day of September, 2011, 9:15 a.m. The entire contents of the defendant's vehicle, a 1999 Chevy Suburban. Yeah, that's a court order to be returned. September 2011, September the 9th. Y'all sold the truck, you took the computer, and you destroyed the evidence. That's Scott Shellenberger. Ken LaRue. All right? That's a court order for my property to be returned in Illinois. You did the same thing in Illinois that they did in Maryland. You destroyed evidence. We put money on the bank on here because this shows everything and everybody. See that? DD Shortman at AOL.com. It names your senators, your congressmen, your elected officials. Shellenberger should have done this in September 2008. Federal and state violations. Bank of America, SunTrust Bank. Yeah. And right here, it shows you the fraud. To whom it may concern. Dear Sir or Madam, this letter is to verify that on February the 1st, 2008, Dwayne G. Davis is no longer owner of the Ridge Country Store. All right? It says it right here. Jake Davis took it over, so Jake Davis shouldn't have been signing no checks off my account. Y'all entered this into the court. Y'all submitted this to the court. That's fraud. Received 2008. That's the Department of Justice. Dearborn Street in Chicago. All right. Like I said, I was in another state. Here it is. Illinois, Maryland. See that? Senator Hardin, Durbin. The 08IG00094. That's my case number. That's Barbara Mikulski. 2009. Like I said, that's a Privacy Act release. See who got it? Monday, March 2009. The Maryland Black Caucus. Tony Bridges. Bobby Zirkin. Thelma Branch. Yeah. Dear Judge Bridges, I am respectfully requesting permission to go to the courts in Washington, D.C. to visit the Justice Department and the FBI. All right? I'm a whistleblower in the courts and the criminality in the courts. And Judge Bridges got that. Judge Boris got that. The Maryland Black Caucus got that. These are the members of the Maryland Black Caucus. See that? 1402 Lochner. Dutch Rupersberger got it. Mikulski got it. Hardin's got it. See who else got it? Thelma Branch, Cheryl Glenn, Anderson, Kurt Anderson, Conway. Yeah. The Maryland Black Caucus from 2009 been shielding this. Racism don't work without black cooperation. And this is the black cooperation that you got. That's FBI, Richard McFeely. And that's the case when they came in my house. That's Governor O'Malley, Minority Affairs. See that? Dwayne Shorty Davis, Baltimore County Detention Center. I'm a whistleblower in the courts. That's Sheriff Marquette from the Department of Justice. She destroyed evidence. We no longer have that evidence. Well, it don't matter if you got it or not, because I got it. I got all the evidence right here. That's a movie release for Governor Hogan. And we talking about Dred Scott 2021, 2022. Do blacks have rights in which white America respects? You want to stop the violence and the war on drugs. Governor Hogan made $500 million off of black bodies last year. He's getting ready to send out a crime bill for 2022. That crime bill is going to lock up more black people. And our black leadership is permitting that. Mic check.